Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an AWS EKS cluster with a Terraform based pipeline utilizing Atlantis. If this is the first time you are coming onto this channel, so I've already explained how we use Atlantis in the real world setup. If you are working for an enterprise, what kind of Terraform implementation you can have in the form of a pipeline. So that I have explained in a video separately. Then I showed you how you can set this type of pipeline in your own laptop step by step. And also I've showed one a project using this pipeline as well. So you can check all those videos out. I'm going to put the URL of those videos in the description of this video as well. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this Terraform pipeline to create an AWS EKS cluster. So let's start the video. So I'm on my EC2 instance. So I'm using an EC2 instance where I've set up my Atlantis container already. It's running. And yeah, so this is the server where I will be pushing the files to this GitLab pipeline using Atlantis and Terraform. So right now I'm on this branch fix Atlantis-YAML. This branch is already available in the repo here. I'm going to use that and I'm going to add all my Terraform files here, which is going to create the cluster, and then we will see in our AWS account how this cluster is looking like when we deploy it via this pipeline. So all I have to do is I need to add all those files using git. So I'll do git add with a. So this is going to add all the files. You can check the status again. And now I'm going to do git commit. So that's how we use in real world also. That's how we do it. So instead of this EC2 instance, you will be doing it on your laptop. Okay, so here I'm using EC2 instance just for simplicity because I've had some issues using this Windows laptop with WSL terminal with Atlantis. So I'm using this EC2 instance, but the terminal is going to be the same. Okay, it doesn't matter which machine you are using, even if it's a laptop. And so this is how you're going to add the files, and you need to commit it and then push it to the repo where you have your Atlantis pipeline configured. Git push origin. I'll copy the name of the branch. So it's going to push all the TF files. And one more thing, actually I checked it just before the video. You can also check everything locally as well. So you can install Terraform wherever you are, and you can see whether there are no syntax issues or any other issues that may fail your pipeline. So if you run this command Terraform plan, it's going to show you exactly what your pipeline is going to do on GitLab. Okay, so 8 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy, which means that we don't have any syntax issues in these files. And if all the things are configured correctly on the pipeline level, then the code should also run absolutely fine. Okay, so I'll go here now and I'll just refresh the window once. Okay, need to log in as well. I'm sorry. Oh, I thought I was logged in. Okay. Okay, so I've pushed my files to this repo and I'm logged into my GitLab account, and here you can see I'm getting the option to create the MR. So I'll just click on create merge request and I'll create the MR. I'll mention the description. I'll add assignee as myself. I don't have any reviewer. In real world, you will have a reviewer which you can add, and that reviewer needs to review and approve your request before you can actually merge to the main branch. I don't want to delete the source branch. I'll create the MR now. And as soon as I do it, it's going to trigger the pipeline, and it's going to run Atlantis plan command, which is going to give me the plan of resources that this pipeline is going to create. So we'll just wait for a bit till we have this succeeded, and then we will see how to proceed on applying this plan to create our resources in our AWS account, and then we will verify in AWS if the pipeline went well and we were able to create all the resources. Okay, I think it has already succeeded. I'll just refresh once. So you can see the pipeline has passed, and in the comment section you can see it says plan 8 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. The same output we saw locally on the EC2 instance from where we pushed all these files to this repo. Same output we are seeing here. You can click on the show output drop down as well to see all the details, to verify whether everything is correct, everything is as expected or not. If not, you can make the changes. Okay, and just after that you are seeing this command to apply. So either you can run this command or you can run this command also. Okay, so let's try with this command this time. So to apply the plan after verification, we will just comment this here, and it's going to auto apply the plan for us. So once again, it's going to trigger the pipeline again, and it's this time it's going to apply Atlantis apply command, which means that create my resources now. So I'll just hit refresh. The pipeline has already triggered, and we'll just wait for the resources to get created, and it will take some time. So I'll be back once it is done. So you can see the pipeline has succeeded and it has applied the configuration, which means that the resources have been created. In the comment section, you can check everything. Ran apply for project, dev directory, and the workspaces default. If you click on show output, you can see everything that this pipeline created for you. Okay, and in the output section, whatever was there in the outputs.tf file, you can check that detail as well. And apply complete resources 8 added, 0 change, 0 destroyed, which means that the pipeline successfully created our EKS cluster in our AWS account. To verify, I can go to my AWS account here, and here you can see this was the name of the cluster as well. If you want to verify that part as well, you can check cluster name SLI SLO demo EKS, cluster version 1.34, and this is the cluster endpoint. So that's what it is. And apart from this, it also created other resources as part of the configuration. It created an IAM role as well, so you can go to IAM to verify that as well. Go to roles and just type EKS here, and you can see 2 resources created: SLI SLO demo EKS cluster role, SLI SLO demo EKS node role. So this is the cluster role, this is the node role. Similarly, you can verify all the other resources. You can go to your cluster itself, you can go to compute tab, and you can see your node group, demo node group. Name of the node group was, you can check it somewhere here, demo node group. It's created. The desired configuration was to create 2 instances. You can click on it, you can check the nodes in. Okay, I don't have access with this user right now, but you can check that in auto scaling group. So this is the auto scaling group that was created as part of this node group configuration. You click on it, you can check the instances, which will be the worker nodes in the node group. And here you can see the desired capacity was 2. And if you go to instance management, you can see 2 worker nodes. So everything is looking good. Whatever we wanted to create, we were able to create. Okay, so everything is looking absolutely fine. And to destroy the resources, you can run a command. Okay, I don't remember the command, but it's already given on my GitHub public repo, which you can refer yourself as well. So here I've given the exact command that you can run. If you go to my GitHub repo and check this repo here, Terraform Atlantis pipeline demo. Here I've given you step-by-step instructions. And if you just scroll to the very last, you can see the command to destroy the resources that were created by this pipeline. So just scroll to the very last, and here you can see yeah. So first you have to create a plan. So in Atlantis, whatever thing you want to do, you have to generate a plan first. So even for destroying the resources, we need a plan first. So this is the command that you can run. Just you can just copy and paste from here. Go here and comment this. So I'll hit refresh and it's going to trigger the plan again. So the plan is ready. As you can see, if you hit refresh, the pipeline would have passed. The pipeline has passed, and in the comment section you can see 0 to add, 0 to change, 8 to destroy. And in the show output command you can see what all resources it's going to destroy as well. So to apply the plan, you can just copy this Atlantis apply and comment it here. Just comment it and it's going to start destroying all your resources. So once again, it's going to take some time. So I'll be back once it's done. So you can see the pipeline has completed successfully and it has passed. So if you just check the output, you can see it has destroyed all the resources, ran apply for project in the default workspace. At the end, you can see apply complete, resources, 0 added, 0 changed, 8 destroyed. And if I go to my AWS account as well, you can see I don't have any clusters. Auto scaling group that was there, that is gone. In the role section, if you search with EKS, the 2 roles that were created as part of the configuration are also gone. So all the resources have been deleted successfully by the pipeline itself. So this is how you can use a Terraform pipeline to create and destroy resources. All right, guys. Yeah, just one last thing. If you want, you can merge your changes to the main branch also, if you want to. Okay, so that's how you work with this pipeline. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, I request you to please hit the like button. Please share this with others and please subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, that's all for this one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.